Hello, in this video I will show you how you can change size of clock on the lock screen on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all you have to open the settings. From here go to wallpapers and style. Now click on your wallpaper in use over here and click on the clock. And now you are able to customize your clock on your lock screen, and also here you can find clock font. So you can change the font of your clock and also adjust the size of the font. Also, there is some other clock styles. So if you want to have like this one, for example, you can also select it and also customize the size. So when it's done, just simply click apply. And as you can see, I have the bigger clock size, as you can see. So this is how it looks like. So that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.